smooth, stunning. These are the brand new EDIFIER W240TN.
Jesus.
As I was saying, the EDIFIER W240TN TWS earphones. They are a very well presented set of wireless earbuds that, at the time of this upload, retails at the £80 mark. That's around 92 in US dollars. They have a specified working time of up to 8 hours. Obviously, we will indeed be testing this aspect out for ourselves throughout this week, using 100% volume consistently, and they do come in black and white. Nice colours. Hello guys and welcome back to our tech review channel. Please show some support by subscribing just now. I would very much appreciate it as we are heading for that big 20k.
Muchas gracias.
Now within this package, I suspect we get a charge cable, ear tips and a user manual. Well, as it says on the front of this little box just there. Let's have a look. See that? That's exactly what happened when I went off camera. The candle wax spilt everywhere. Oh my god, how small is this writing? It's like a Sylvanian family's book. Jeez, gotta actually take a photo with my phone just to see what it says. We also get a Type-C charge cable. And oh, very hygienic. We've got some sealed in large, medium and small ear tips. That's 4 sets of ear tips in total, with those ones included obviously on the earphones themselves. But yeah, I do love the packaging. It almost reminds me of a watch case. But taking a closer look at the charge case itself, I do love that LED animated light strip. It's very Knight Rider-ish.
Get on with the review, Michael.
Off kit. So yeah, we do have a magnetically sealed lid. It is embedded with that EDIFIER logo to the top. To charge that 200 mAh battery within the case, we do have a Type-C charge port to the rear. And by the way, to charge this case, it does take around about 1 hour 10 minutes to fully charge from flat. But if we shift over just to the right hand side of that charge port, we have a reset pairing button too. Now again, opening up that lid, the earphones themselves are strongly pulled into those deep embedded sockets magnetically. And may I say, without any physical adjustments. The lid is also embedded too, to keep them from rattling around while they're in your pocket. And may I add, even though this case isn't the most slimmest of cases, it doesn't however protrude too much when it's in that pocket. No. The earphones themselves, I wouldn't say that they have an ergonomic design, if I'm to be honest. They are kind of bulky, but they do however fit quite good within our ear canal. They do stay locked in place, that is once we have correctly fitted the right size ear tips for our ears. Now when these earphones are placed within your ears, you should initially get some good noise isolation, and I've got to admit, although they do stick out kind of a bit, I do actually like the coin-like design on the outer shells. Internally, these EDIFIER W240s have them dynamic drivers. They do also have the latest Bluetooth 5.3 chips built in, which will allow you to connect to your mobile device very swiftly. That is after simply opening up the charge case, and then selecting EDIFIER W240TN from your Bluetooth device list. Now to get the most out of these earbuds, you can go ahead and download the EDIFIER Connect app. When you do, you can go ahead and adjust your audio options, from classic mode to dynamic, and even a customized mode too, depending on which type of genre of music you're into, that is. Looking at the earphones, they do have physical type control buttons to each side, which I do personally rather prefer, as they don't have those accidental touches that you have with those touch control buttons. So you get controls like play, pause, call answering, we have the previous and extract selections. There also is a voice assist function too, as well as a couple of ANC modes. In fact, all of the functions are listed on screen just now. Yeah, very informative. 3 days later. Alrighty then, because we have been using these EDIFIER earbuds for a good few days now, in and out of work, the audio was actually better than I expected for the price. Woo! Music quality was warm and punchy after using the custom equalizer within that EDIFIER Connect app. We did adjust those levels to our preferred setting, and although the bass is present, I wouldn't say it is thunderous or anything like that. One thing I will say though, is that these earphones do present a very well levelled soundstage. They have fantastic treble with the mid-tones that never overpowered any of the other audio tones. They have good directional sound by the way, with a very convenient dedicated game mode and a superbly impressive ANC mode. It's actually phenomenal, reducing the outside noise to a faint whisper. But what also works rather well is the call noise reduction function, which works great to help filter out unwanted noise. Alright, so when it comes to using these earphones for any type of voice calls using your device, I've got to admit, over the past couple of days we've been using them for a few calls now and again. Our voice did remain quite crisp and clear, in fact quite loud. And that is the same when doing any type of video recording like we're doing just now. As you can tell, our lips are in sync with this recording. And not only that guys, when it comes to the transmission distance, there actually wasn't ever a time where it disconnected. We managed to get right upstairs, away from our device, and not once did we get any type of transmission issues whatsoever. Overall, when it comes to the long use with these EDIFIER earphones, they were outstanding. They never made my ears feel uncomfortable or sweaty, and because they are indeed waterproof, they should be great to use while training or doing physical activities. Oh, love my activities with me. So in regards to the comfort, we are going to give these EDIFIER earphones a 9 out of 10. And because these earphones come in under £90, they actually do most things pretty well. I did appreciate those physical soft touch buttons. The design, I quite like them. Okay, they do have a neutral look to them. They are a bit bulky, but they do in fact have a decent amount of battery life, providing you with up to 4 hours 40 minutes out of the 8 hours that were specified. That is using 100% volume consistently. Obviously, you will get a significantly lower time using the ANC mode. Okay, that charge case, well, it did provide us with only 2 full charges, as opposed to the 3 that were specified. But then again, I guess they can't tick all the boxes, can they? So for the design, we are going to give them an 8 out of 10. For those built-in features, another 8 out of 10. With that audio providing good punchy, high volume, crisp sound quality, that's worthy of a score of 9 out of 10. With our overall score for these EDIFIER W240TN earphones coming in at a reasonable 8 out of 10. Now we do like this whole package and the presentation, and we certainly can recommend them. Now we're not affiliated in any type of way, but what I'll do is I'll leave a handy little link for you guys to go ahead and check these earphones out for yourself. But if you have liked what you've seen within this review video, well why not take a little gander and well go get yours. While you're in that video description guys, it means so much if you please like and share this video. I'd very much appreciate it. Most importantly, please subscribe to this channel just now. I'd very much like the support. Bearing in mind though to hit that bell notification option so you guys stay updated on all our new uploads. Now it's been pretty great reviewing these earphones this week, and we hope to be doing some more earphone reviews in the next few days, so stay tuned for those bad boys. As usual, I hope you all stay safe, and thank you ever so much for watching. Peace!